100K. Nandiyan na siya. Unboxing time. Ito na siya. Alright, I've done it. I've achieved an important milestone in my YouTube career. Silver play button. But let me just be honest, it's weird because I feel underwhelmed by this. I've watched unboxing videos before and everyone always seems so emotional in there. Like they're crying and things like that. Pero ako, I'm just like, yeah, award. I don't know, but being someone who doesn't obsess over material rewards like this really doesn't feel like anything more than a generic metal plastic plaque thingy. Even the letter that they sent is generically printed. You guys have seen this over and over many times with other creators. So, I don't know, I guess my point is that it doesn't feel special. So I started my channel last year during quarantine because, I don't know, I felt stuck. I felt stuck and I felt so frustrated that I wasn't making progress with anything. I felt so stagnant. I've been feeling that way for the past few years and it just got to a point where I was really annoyed and I decided to do something about it. I have no excuse, let's go. It's me, Nicole. Even though it felt awkward and cringy, like, oh my god, I'm gonna upload on YouTube, I just set up my phone and started recording. I knew that uploading just one video isn't gonna get me anywhere just like that. So I told myself, I committed that, you know what, I'm going to make one video every single week. Let's discuss some of my plans for this YouTube channel moving forward. I just want to set process goals, and one of my biggest goals talaga for this channel is just to be consistent, release one video every week. It was pretty slow at the start. I had like 1 view here, 20 views here, then maybe 2 subscribers. But I kept going. With each video that I made, there was always this like moment before I pressed the publish button. Because you know, putting yourself out there is scary. But yeah, it's been less than a year, but currently, as I'm recording this, I'm currently at 119,604 subscribers. Absolutely insane, but yeah, we've created such a wholesome bread community in this little corner of the internet. I don't know, I've talked to a couple of you guys and I'm just so amazed by the kind of people you guys are, like all the talent, all the drive. It's amazing. Like, this is our achievement, you know, like this is not just mine, but I'm happy that I get to share this with you guys. I don't want to sound cliche and I don't want to sound super like, she's just saying that. We're all working towards our goals. We're working to be better people, working to be better with our finances. And, you know, it's just all good vibes. But really, while I am grateful for this play button and for all of the subscribers, I think what I'm super most grateful for is that people like you guys actually take the time out of your life, out of your day to watch my videos. And that's just an incredible feeling that people are watching something that came from my head and I edited it and I posted it. Yeah, that's just crazy. Pushing all of that aside, alam niyo naman, thank you. Let's make some bread. Today, we gonna bake. Okay, this is the flour. Ready with this here? Tinatawanan na ako ni Mama. Oh my god. And the dough itself. There we go. Kumutan ko siya?
Oo, syempre yun, no?
Good night.
Say good night dun sa camera.
Good night. We're gonna let it rest. Alright, so now we're waiting for the dough to rise. So, kinumutan muna namin. Itong 100,000 subscriber button. Like, it's a cool award. Yes, this is now physical form, my 100,000 accomplishment. But, at the end of the day, it's just a plaque. So, the plan is to make this into pizza. Mamma mia! Assistant. This is gonna be big enough. Help me hold the other parts. It's gonna bend. No, mama threw it. Well, this is the sauce now.
Yeah. Takto na yung spoon.
Itakta. Okay. We're putting pineapple on pizza. Do you guys see the 100? It's like that's the flavor. Amazing. Pizza. Let's elevate this mukbang experience. I don't like watching mukbang, so I don't know if I'm gonna include this. Thanks for 100k. What's up, YouTube? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to this week's video. If you're new here, what's up? My name's Nicole, and I make weekly videos on personal finance, investing, self-development, and other fun and interesting stuff.